Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the Umpqua River. So we are actually out where we had the 2022 Gold Prospectors meetup, and as you can see, the water has come up a little bit higher, but we found a nice big hole that somebody punched. We are classifying it into the tub and then into some buckets. I'm here in a little bit. I'll show you guys what I have set up here, but for now, let's get some material moved. All right guys, so we got our buckets filled up from that hole, and it is some nice looking gravel. If you guys want to actually see me clean up that gravel, follow me over on TikTok. We're a growing channel, and you guys can actually ask me some questions while I'm doing the TikTok. Now let's head over because I've got one small bucket ready and I want to show you what we're going to put it through. All right, so as you guys can see, we've got a bucket of material that I saved for us, and we've got the A52 set up, but we've got it set up with something special. We've got Dream Mat in it. Let's take a look. All right, so I've got the Dream Mat set up, got a nice little rock keeping it. I used a level for leveling it out, and you can actually see that the V is right in the center. And the way that I got the angle was I put some material inside of the hopper, or not hopper, but inside of the slick tray. And once the material moved out, I set it at that height. So we're gonna work this material through. Looks like it might be going a little bit to the left, so we're going to adjust that and run this material. So this is the first time I've really been trying out Dream Mat, and I've had it for a while. I just haven't had a good place to test it. Figured this would be a good place to test it. Now I've been putting some scoops through, and I've been adjusting the sluice here and there because I was noticing the gravel was going further to the left side. But then I realized that the mat itself was actually raising up and moving. So I'm not sure exactly how we're gonna fix that. I might have to put duct tape along the sides, kind of like the Gold Hog. So we're gonna get this bucket ran really quick, and then we'll clean up the concentrates and see if it caught anything. It's kind of cool how it runs the material out really fast and catches in the cells. But I'm not sure if I like this over expanded over carpet. So we'll just do some more tests and let's see how it goes. Okay, so I straight up put a rock in the middle to help keep that mat down, and the cells are cleaning up pretty nice, and I am seeing some gold in the V groove. So I went and got another bucket, and this one is straight up unclassified, because that's something that this mat is supposed to do, is run those larger rocks over so we don't have to classify. And yeah, just kind of looking like that. I can just shovel this right on, and it's doing a pretty decent job of cleaning those out. So we're gonna get this second bucket ran, and then we'll clean up the sluice and see what it caught. All right, so let's take a look. Now I am starting to see some gold right along that edge. So let's tap that back down to the bottom. Let's just start working this back. Now, I had to run that sluice fast, and for the kind of gold that we have here, it should have caught some of it. I am seeing bigger gold, but there's a lot of fine gold here, so I'm curious to see if it caught any of that. But I think I'll end up, if I use Dream Mat, I might get the one that alternates from the smaller up to the larger. This might work well in a high banker, but the issue with it rising up is a pretty big issue. All right, so we do have some gold in there, as you guys can see. I know the GoPro's not very good at macro. You guys can see that we did catch some gold in it, but that's no more than normally what a good pan would be. So I suspect that some gold was lost. Now we'll be saving all those concentrates and panning it back down, because I panned that pretty quick. But it is time to get this stuff cleaned up and get on the road, because I have some work I need to do. So we're gonna get everything cleaned up. We're gonna head home and let's see the gold. And we're home, so let's see the gold. All right, so we got some bigger pieces in there. I still have some black sands that I need to go through to get the really fine gold, but I know you guys can see that stuff pretty well, so I'm pretty happy with that. So if you guys liked the video, give it a like, subscribe down below, and hit that bell notification so that you know when I put out more videos, because as you see, we're putting out videos every Friday. So until next time, guys, bye.